So just like the skin on your face, your scalp also has a delicate bacterial balance that really needs to be cared for in order for it to function at its best. Hey everyone, welcome back to Hair.com. Today I want to talk to you guys about the skinification of hair. And it's a really big trend that's going around in the hair care world at the moment, but it basically just means that we need to be treating our scalp and our hair with the same love and attention that we're giving the skin on our face. So just like the skin on your face and on your body, your scalp also has a delicate bacterial balance that really needs to be cared for in order for it to function at its best. So I really like to think about my scalp as just kind of an extension of my skin. So I know some of us out there might have full skincare regimens that you do every night and every morning that really keep your skin healthy and vibrant and remove all that makeup and that grime that kind of collects in your pores. And you might also be looking at the ingredients in your skincare products to make sure that the ingredients that you're using on your skin matches the concerns that you are trying to target. So I also encourage you to do that for your hair, because without a healthy scalp, you really can't have healthy hair. So today I'm going to share with you guys a little facial that I like to give my hair, but it's really just an updated version of my hair care routine, incorporating all of those things that we just talked about. So really making sure that the care that I'm giving my face, I'm also giving to my scalp. The first thing I do for my hair is exfoliate. So I like to use this Kérastase scrub. There is an energizing one and also a calming one depending on what type of scalp you have. But I like to use this once a week, really just to remove that dead skin that's just kind of sitting on the top of your scalp, and also any of the product buildup that you have from the week. So whether it's dry shampoo or hairspray, the scrub really cleanses that all out, and it allows for the natural oils to come through, and also for the ingredients that you're putting on your scalp to really penetrate and do its job. So after I'm done exfoliating my scalp and really removing all of that product buildup and those dead skin cells, I like to follow up with a hydrating shampoo. So this would kind of function like a moisturizing cleanser that you would use on your face. I like to use the Biolage HydraSource shampoo. This one actually has aloe in it, which helps your hair retain moisture, and it gives it the nourishment that it needs after exfoliation. I use it about twice a week anytime I'm shampooing my hair, and it leaves it feeling soft, shiny, and definitely gives it back that moisture that it needs. So after I shampoo my hair, I like to follow up once a week with a hair mask. So this is the L'Oreal Professionnel Serie Expert Inforcer mask, and it is a strengthening treatment for your hair. It's formulated with vitamin B6 and biotin, which work together to reinforce your hair, prevent breakage, and give it the conditioning that it needs. So just like a face mask, I only use this about once a week on my hair, but I apply it through the mid-lengths and the ends, and I just kind of rake it through with my fingers, let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes in the shower, and then I rinse it out completely and I'm good to go. Once I hop out of the shower and I kind of just remove any of that excess water in my hair with a towel, I will then follow up with a multi-benefit spray. So this one is from Pureology. It is the Color Fanatic spray, and it has a ton of different benefits. It primes the hair, it detangles it, it leaves it shiny, and it's also a heat protectant. So you can just spray this on throughout all of your hair before you heat style it, and it will keep it protected. But the other thing I love about this product is it has a blend of different oils in it that really help to nourish the hair. So it has camelina oil, coconut oil, olive oil, and then an aromatherapy blend of rose, floral ginger, and cedarwood that all just give you a great self-care experience. So the last step of my hair routine is to finish with a hair oil. So this is Kérastase's Elixir Ultime, and what I do is after I finish drying and styling my hair, I'll put about 1 to 2 pumps of this into the palms of my hands and kind of rub it through, and then I'll just apply it to the mid-lengths and the ends of my hair, make sure it's fully distributed, and I'm good to go. And that's pretty much the last boost of hydration that my hair needs before I start the day. So this particular product contains marula oil, camellia oil, and argan oil, which all help to keep the hair soft, supple, and moisturized. So that's it. That completes my hair facial or my hair care routine. I hope you guys learned something new about the skinification of hair and treating your scalp and your hair the same way you would the skin on your face. So if you have any questions for us, please leave them below in the comments, and feel free to check out all of these products on Hair.com, and we will see you very soon.